Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Robinhood or Kraken. And today I will show you or give you a honest opinion about which application you need to use. I write down some good things that you need to know to choose between the apps. So I will tell you exactly which important things I wrote down. So the first thing is, if you want to be an active trader and you like low fees on volume, and you want many crypto options and withdrawals to a private wallet, then Kraken is much better for you. And if you want simple occasional crypto buys or want easy interface with stocks or ETFs too, then Robinhood is a better application for you. And if you want full control for long-term holding, staking, or margin futures or more advanced tools, then Kraken is also better. So you can see it maybe much more like an advanced trading exchange. And if you want to try crypto and want to have a good learning curve and just want to try crypto on a low level, then Robinhood is the great application for you. So a quick summary between Robinhood and Kraken is a little bit more for the advanced trader and Robinhood is a little bit more for the beginner. So this is my honest opinion about those two apps. Hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.